Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a super quick upgrade that you can do to the interior of your Tesla that really makes a big impact. Let's get into it. So for this video, my friends over at Yeslak sent me some upgraded covers for your foot pedals, your brake pedal and your accelerator pedal. So these come in lots of different colors, and if you've ever seen the performance model of the Model Ys, or I even believe the Model 3s, they come with some upgraded foot pedal covers. They're kind of silver with some rubberized lines on them, and I think they look really sharp. I found these on Yeslak's website, and they come in all different kinds of colors. I believe there's 4 different colors they come in, and I chose the red color. I'm going to get these unboxed here and show you guys what they look like. They come in a nice little box and kind of covered each one. This first one here is red. It has the words energy class on it. I think that's so cool. I look at that as something like an energy class of like a submarine, like a nuclear class submarine, or like a space station or something like that. I just really like the wording on it. These are made with a anodized aluminum cover. And then you can see on the back, they just have a rubber, kind of a hard rubber gasket that's gonna fit right over your pedal. So really kind of nice, it'll hold it really nice and secure on there, and then some nice rubberized where your foot will actually go, and one on top too. So that's the accelerator one, says energy class. Let's take a look at the brake pedal cover. Unwrapping it out of the package here. And I like this one a lot too. It says overheat warning. I just think these are really cool. Just a fun little upgrade that as soon as you open your door to your Tesla, you're going to see them. I love the red to match the red of my car, and I just think they're an awesome upgrade. These goes on pretty much the same way. A nice hard kind of rubber gasket that goes all the way around. It's going to encapsulate that pedal for you. Let's go get them installed. So we're down here under the car, and you can see we have the brake pedal and the accelerator pedal here. The accelerator pedal right now doesn't have any sort of cover on it. It's just one hard piece of plastic that's kind of there. The brake pedal has a rubber cover on it already. The first step in installing these is removing the rubber cover off of the brake pedal. So if you just pull it up from one side and kind of the bottom and work it off, it kind of exposes your brake pedal right there. There's your big old rubber brake pedal of your original Tesla. So now let's come and try and install the brake pedal. Now that we got the cover off of the brake side, let's install the brake cover. So I'm going to start with the top and pull it over that gasket from the top, get it really nice and seated there. Work the 2 sides on and around. I'm going to come down here, try to pull the bottom corner out. There we go. That side looks great. Same thing on this side. There you go. Just kind of work it around, you know, get all those sides of those corners around. It's super sturdy. It's not going anywhere. And what a cool upgrade already. Let's start working on that accelerator pedal. So now that we have the brake pedal installed, let's work on doing the accelerator pedal over here. You'll notice on the back of it, it's a little bit different. It doesn't have the gasket at the top or really much at the bottom. It's really the 2 sides you have to worry about. I think using a trim tool here will actually be pretty helpful when trying to scoot this all on. So let's see what we can do here. I'm going to start off with the far side. Really get that in as much as I can. Definitely at the bottom. Okay, so that far side's on. The rest of it is just kind of working it up here. I think if you take your trim tool and kind of pull out this top corner that's giving you a hard time. And if you just work that little trim tool under there you go. Perfect. Once you get that whole kind of rubberized gasket around the back, really secure, great installation. That's not going anywhere. So let's take a look at how we did. We have the before. And now we have the after. And there you got it. I told you this was going to be a quick one. Just about 2 minutes worth of work, and you have some upgraded foot pedals on the inside of your Tesla, your Model Ys, your Model 3s. I'm really happy with how it looks. It's an awesome deep red color, nice anodized aluminum with some great rubberized texture. Really happy with it. And for a small price of around 20 bucks, it's a no-brainer upgrade. These foot pedals, they have two different varieties on Yeslak's website. They come in silver, black, titanium, which is kind of like a darker silver, and then this red color. And I'm a big fan of the red. I think it really sets off the interior to go with my red ambient lights and all the other cool upgrades I've done to the car. As always, this accessory will be linked down in the description, as well as all of my other accessories from Yeslak, from their website, as well as some of my really highly recommended accessories from Amazon. So feel free to check any of those out. Always appreciate you guys coming back to the channel and hanging out with me here. Feel free to like and subscribe. I'm doing a giveaway over on another one of my videos, and I'll have a link to that in the pinned comment down below. Appreciate you coming by, and we'll see you in the next one.